If you're a wellness and health practitioner with a high-ticket offer, I want to make a challenge for you in 2024. I know you probably hate sales, mainly because it feels uncomfortable or sleazy, as you most likely have studied the online gurus who focus all on pressure-based sales tactics. What if I told you there's a way to flip that script? Become a heart-centered sales maestro, fall in love with sales, and genuinely feel like you're helping more people. All guaranteed in just 12 weeks. Now, I'm not here to brag, but to make a point. I've closed more than $4 million in coaching and wellness services, and guess what? I used to feel exactly like you until I created my heart-centered sales method. It didn't just tweak my sales approach, it turned me into a sales superstar that prospects love. I managed to sell more clients than I ever dreamed of, and it transformed my business forever. Not only that, but I helped more people. And I want to invite you to become a heart-centered sales maestro and increase your sales conversions by a minimum of 30% in just 90 days, all with my Impact Sales Intensive. So essentially, I guarantee you 3 key results after just 12 weeks. Number 1, transform into a heart-centered sales maestro and fall in love with sales. Forget about those high-pressured sales tactics, but rather picture a world where selling aligns seamlessly with your passion for making a difference and helping more people. Number 2, increase your current sales conversions by a minimum of 30% and forget about unpredictable monthly revenue for your business and learn how to be in charge of your sales process. And number 3, personalized one-on-one guidance from a $4 million sales expert. You can access real-world insights, get guided through all the obstacles, and elevate your sales game to unprecedented levels. And again, all of this can happen in just 12 weeks, and these results are guaranteed. So are you ready to become a heart-centered salesperson, make an even bigger impact in the world, and increase your business growth? Well, click below to schedule a free impact call and embark on this heart-centered sales journey to redefine your sales game. And I will see you on the other side. Still thinking if this is for you? Well, meet Dr. Nick. When I first met him, he was struggling to get 20% conversion of the clients that came in and spoke to him. After we worked together for just a month, out of the 3 months that we were working together, his sales conversion dramatically increased to 80%, from 20% to 80%. Now, every time that somebody comes in for a consultation, he's easily offering to them his $2,500 program and getting them to sign up. Or meet Kaylee, who sells a $25,000 health and wellness program for a year. When we first spoke, her sales calls were kind of all over the place. But once we put a call flow in action, she was easily able to get people excited about making a transformation in their life and ultimately investing $25,000 in a health and wellness program that lasts a year. Are you ready to become a heart-centered salesperson, make an even bigger impact in the world, and increase your sales conversion by a minimum of 30%? Well, click below to schedule a free impact call to redefine your sales game, and I will see you on that call.